Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, and beautiful love forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I already promised Set My Eyes, and now I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that first shade and put that in my crease, and then I'm going to take the second shade and put that on my lids, and then the third shade I'm going to put on the outer parts of my eyes. If you love makeup tutorials like this, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss anything. I post new shorts every Monday and full tutorials every Friday. And if you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps my channel grow, and I truly appreciate your support. Next, I'm going to take the gold shade and put that on the inner corners of my eyes, and then the other shade is going to go on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using the NARS Climax liquid eyeliner. Now I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Ioni Wispy Natural Crisscross Long Lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Mattifying Primer. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I had that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the setting powder again to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blushed Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to take that shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow Highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and the Believe Beauty Lip Gloss in Prim and Proper. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think of this look. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my new shorts every Monday and new tutorials every Friday. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.